Now, let's go through the technical competency documentation process with an example. One of Jason's key duties is to prepare the monthly reporting package to senior management. Jason uses the guiding questions, and he sees that this duty fits under the management accounting area. And then under the subcompetency, Management Reporting Needs and Systems, or MA1. He reviews the guiding questions and documents the following. Who are your internal stakeholders? What information do they need and why? What types of information systems have you analyzed? What tasks did you perform, and which resulting recommendations did you make? How did these recommendations improve management decision-making? Finally, discuss any ethical, privacy, or data integrity issues you considered. Then Jason reviews the technical competencies rubric in the CPA per Appendix A for MA1 to ensure he has addressed all the requirements. Now Jason will assess the level he was consistently performing at by considering frequency, or circumstance, as it is referred to in PERT, complexity, and autonomy. Jason selects Level 2 for the target proficiency, as this is what he expects to achieve by the end of his PE journey. Frequency is routine, as he prepares the reporting package on a monthly basis, but he has only created one new report. Complexity is low, as Jason created the report by analyzing, filtering, and exporting existing data from the system in a graphical and tabular format. Autonomy is low, as Jason needed guidance on preparing the analysis. He also received feedback from his supervisor on things to improve on in the next reporting package. Jason is early on in his practical experience journey. He is still learning and will need more practice to develop this competency to the level of a newly certified CPA. Therefore, this combination results in Level 1, and Jason self-assesses accordingly. Jason repeats this process for his other key job duties. If he hasn't yet performed duties in some of the 8 sub-competencies he is targeting, he can document these in his next report. Up next, how to document your enabling competencies.